Another fridge built back into this cupboard and right back up into the side of the boat, so a big space down in here. Very secure, nice fittings holding that closed. Various lockers, gas oven, all on a tilt. Up into the saloon to starboard side. Nice settee, all in very good condition. With its own little table. See the mast there passing through from the deck head, and then the larger table to port, and running forward into one of the cabins. Nice double here. And then to starboard, some bunks, obviously storing some equipment and some cushions just now for the winter. Forward heads, again all the woodwork is in lovely condition. The shower, hatch, etc. Forward again to the forward V-berth cabin. Also just adjacent is the sink for the forward